NewBQ.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host, Jazz, and today is a great day because what you can't see right now is because I'm looking at you and you're looking at me, is that I'm recording on a brand new camera. I bought it, finally broke down. I bought a brand new camera for the channel, and I'm super excited about it because I want to make great videos for you guys. I want to be able to make awesome quality video for you guys, and I'm hoping that this camera is going to let me do that. Now, it's going to take me a little time. If you notice, my eyes keep darting off to this side because that's where the little camera video viewfinder, view screen, whatever it is. So it's going to take me a little time to get used to that. But I'm here, finally. I get to do this. I get to shoot this video. Problem is, if you can't tell, I lost my voice. This is day 2 now. I kind of pushed this video off because of the fact that I was losing my voice. So I haven't been able to film anything for the last couple days, and I was going to push it off another day till tomorrow. And I don't think I can wait any longer because I feel like tomorrow I'm just going to have the same problem. So anyway, I don't want to get into a bunch of detail today. We just cooked supper. I took some video of supper. I'm going to play around with the video because I want to see what the good quality and stuff, what I can do. The other thing that I bought, there's 2 things here that I bought. I bought this camera. This is a brand new Canon EOS 250D, which is a super awesome camera. It's great for somebody like me who doesn't really have a lot of knowledge of DSLR cameras. So this is kind of a beginner step to DSLR cameras, and so I'm pretty excited about it, okay? The second thing is I bought another laptop. Well, it's technically a Chromebook because a lot of the stuff that I do is on Android. It's on like an Android apps, that kind of thing. The editing program I use, you can buy for a laptop, but it's not as good as the app. They have put more time into the app than they have the actual program, and I like it. I like the app better. A lot of times I do a lot of my editing between my phone and my tablet, and I bounce back and forth, and I like it. I don't know if you guys like it, but I like it. So I bought a Chromebook, and the Chromebook now can do everything that my phone and my tablet was doing, but in better speed and better quality. So hopefully these 2 things together combined will help me put out a whole lot more videos and a whole lot better quality videos for you guys out there to watch. So I hope this works out well. So I'm going to quit talking because I'm already, feeling the burn in the throat here. So I'm going to throw up some B-roll footage, and I appreciate you guys watching. We cooked a, it's kind of like a Philly cheesesteak melt sandwich thing. It was one of those HelloFresh meals. But I'm just going to throw up a little B-roll and then show you guys just kind of what I was dealing with the quality. I didn't have a ring light or nothing, so it might be a little bit dark, so I may have to play with some of that. But hopefully this turns out. I haven't done any of this editing yet, so hopefully the rest of the video turns out well. Otherwise, I don't know what you're going to see. But anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at NewBQ 2020, and at TikTok. Follow me on the TikToks. I do throw up some TikToks here and there. I've gotten better at it. I just haven't been throwing up as much here lately just because time and all that stuff and with the weather and everything. So anyway, follow me at TikTok at NewBQ Backyard Barbecue. And we'll see you guys next week. Hopefully next Wednesday. We'll see you Wednesday on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace.